I'll be walking you through how to download and install Ricoh print drivers. First thing we want to do is create a folder on the desktop. So right click on the desktop, new and folder, and we will name this Ricoh drivers. And we will open up a browser and make sure you go to google.com, and we will search for Ricoh drivers here. And then doing a search in Google, it'll take us right to our support and downloads page for Ricoh USA. Click on that. And if you scroll down, here's searching for our downloads. So the category, we're installing a copier today. And category is going to be multifunction, printers and copiers. And then our model is an MPC. Where's that? MPC 3504. Click that. And right here in the middle, you'll see drivers for the MPC 3504. Click on that. And we will agree to Ricoh's terms. And this takes us to our driver page. And it shows my operating system right here, Microsoft Windows 7 64-bit. I'll scroll down and we want the PCL6 driver, and we'll click download. So we'll go to our desktop where we created that folder for the Ricoh drivers, open that up, and save our zip file in there. And this does download pretty quickly, and that's finished. We'll exit this out, and we'll go to our Ricoh drivers folder, and we want to unzip this. So double click it. It will open this up and click run. And a little trick is to type a period in this box, and it will unzip it into the same folder that our zip file is in. So hit OK, and exit out of that, and here's all the stuff we unzipped. So we will exit out of this, and now we will install the driver. So if you go to your devices and printers, on Windows 10 you may need to do a search for these, but this is the screen that you're looking for. And we'll go up here to add a printer, and we're adding a local printer. And we're going to create a new port, and ours is a networked, so we need TCP/IP port. Click next, and you will need the IP address of your copy machine. That can be found under User Tools, System Settings, and then Interface Settings. You're looking for the IPv4 address. And for mine, it is 192.168.2.121. And then make sure this box is unchecked, so we don't want to automatically select it from the Windows. So click next. And this is where you'll click Have Disk. And then we will browse for it, and we put it on our desktop. And look for that folder for the Ricoh drivers. And you want to click on Disk 1. And this OEM setup, double click that. And then click OK. This will bring you up with the different brands that are associated with Ricoh. So we are actually installing a Ricoh machine. It is a MPC 3504. Double click that, and that's our printer name. Click next, and this will install the print driver. And you saw it pop up here in the background. So we will click finish. Don't necessarily need to do a test page yet. And as soon as we install it, it sets it as our default printer. Since this is a color machine, when you install the print driver, it will default to color. So I do recommend defaulting it to black and white. So to do that, you will right click on it and do printer properties. And you'll go to your advanced tab and then printing defaults. And we'll change it from color down here to black and white. Also, it does default two-sided to on, so you can turn that off, so we'll not do duplex every time. And we will hit apply and then OK. And then we will go back to our general tab and do preferences and make sure it did change here also. So we do have it set to black and white and two-sided is off. So hit OK on that. And then we can print a test page and make sure our test page does come out in black and white. And we will hit OK on that. And that is how you install a Ricoh print driver.